Hello guys, so today we're gonna be talking about how I created this scene. This is the blacksmith shop that I did like 2 weeks ago. So basically I'm using the same textures like I used to, I use on the other ones. So this is the Toon shader from Lighting Boy shader. So bear with me because I still have this flu. It's going on for a while. So basically for the modeling, so the only thing that changed in my workflow is using normals. So right here, as you can see, I have normal. So if we look at the shader editor, so this is the first thing that I did. I added a normal map. So for the normal map, so it's just the basic node, which is the texture coordinate mapping, then the normals of the texture that I did. I asked my friend Ivy to create this stylized wood material. So you can download that in my Patreon and my DeviantArt for $1 a month subscription. So for this, I added it to the key light so that wherever the light hits the the mesh, like this one, so the normals will be projected there. So yeah, so I also added another key light because I have this, I was planning on making a night scene for this. So instead of just adding one key light, I also added another key light underneath that normal key light with normal, so that whenever I add this light, like virtual point light, so there's that reflection on the wall. So if I take that out, it'll look like a just dark texture. Like the light source doesn't hit this part right here, so I added the key light just to have that kind of reflection of the like ambient lighting. So it's kind of it looks really good. So you have more control on the light. You can even change how bright that is. So like that. So it's pretty good. So if you want a night scene, you can do that. So for the shader, so I also added the ambient occlusion just to add more detail to the shader. So yeah, that's just about it for this model. They all have the same shader. So basically, wherever the light is, I added these third. The second key light instead of just having one key light. Because usually our setup is just one key light and one base color. So right now we're using three, just because we have that ambient lighting. I mean, so for the tutorials on how to model this basic shapes, I added it on my YouTube channel for in the shorts category, so you can add it there. So you can view it there. So for the smoke, it's just basic sphere, then added a ambient occlusion and um, the base color and the basic setup for Lighting Boy shader. So yeah, for the this one, the cliff, I just use the normals that I have for the wood. So yeah, as you can see, it's just wood, but it adds more detail to the existing, instead of just having it for without the normals. So which is also good, but you can just hard model the details, but I chose to use this because it looks good. Yeah. So for the stones, yeah, it's basic. It's just the sphere polygon. So I just moved all the points to my liking. So yes, so that's just about it. What else? Yeah, I think this is just it. So yeah, I hope. I mean, oh wait, this one. So this one. So for the chimney, I also made the same setup. So normal maps. Although I don't have that. I mean, I have two key lights also because the so that the light will reflect on that. So yeah, this unfortunately this is the day scene. Like the night scene was on the other file. So yeah. So yeah, I guess that's just it. So for the fire, yeah, it's just a sphere also. So just like what you did, what I did with the stone, I just pulled the points like that, just to make it like looking like a fire, something like that. So for this one, this is actually radial array. So I just modeled one, then added a radial array. So yeah. So if you want an in-depth tutorial, I can. Already uploaded it on my Patreon account and DeviantArt. So if you want to know how to create these models one by one, yeah, actually anyone with the basic skills on how to model in Blender can do this. So there's nothing special to that. It's just that you have to like it's the composition. Yeah. So yeah, basic shapes, just manipulate shapes and that's it. So yeah, I hope you like this commentary. So for the tutorials and more in-depth guides, I'll post it on my DeviantArt. So thank you guys, and I see you next time. Bye.